In this video, we will show you how to delete FB account permanently on mobile. To delete your FB from mobiles, first you need to download Facebook, or you can using Facebook Lite. In my case, we have Facebook Lite here because it's safer more data. Just open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, just click this, okay? Click this menu. Then scroll down and select settings and privacy. After that, you can click settings. In here, you need to click personal details. Then select personal details again. After that, you can select account ownership and control. Then select deactivation or deletion. You can click your profile that you want to delete your profile. In here, you can select the delete account and then click continue. And you can provide the reason. For example, I have a privacy concern, and click continue. Then you can click continue in there. Okay, in here you can just scroll down and just click continue. Now in here you need to type your password. In my case, that is hidden because this is for privacy, cannot record it. Okay, I will back. After you click continue here, in here you need to input your password. After you type or input your password, then your profile will be deleted from Facebook. And for the note, make sure you don't log in into your Facebook at least for 1 month. Because if you re-log in into your Facebook, your deleting process will be cancelled. Okay? So after this step, you need just to leave the Facebook and don't ever log in again. And that's all tutorial how to delete FB from mobile application for permanently deletion. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.